Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender here for Ideal Security. Today we're going to talk about Hinge+Pin door closers. This little guy right here makes it super easy to keep any door closed inside the house. Maybe you have a sewing room in your house, you want to keep your toddlers out. An outswing bathroom door in an office could be a good place to keep the door closed. A dressing room, maybe you just want to keep your kids out of your home office. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So we've got this Hinge+Pin door closer from Ideal Security. Installs in less than 5 minutes and very easy with basic tools. Now you can put this on any hinge on your door. I'm going to pick the middle one so you can see what I'm doing. First, we want to remove the pin on the hinge of the door that we want the closer on. Simple hammer and screwdriver. Here's our Hinge+Pin door closer. We're going to lift off the decorative cap. And on top, you have a little pin right here. We're going to remove that as well. Now, depending on the diameter of your hinge pin, some are 1/4 inch, some are 5/16. It comes with an additional sleeve here. I have a 1/4 inch hinge pin, so I'm going to remove the 5/16 sleeve and not use that. Slide the pin into the hinge. Now we're going to take our trusty wrench and our little pin that we removed, and we're going to adjust the hinge tension. We're going to spread these two guys out, like so. Now we're going to use the provided wrench to torque it back away from the door. Once you pull it back, you can put the stop pin in to hold the tension. You can see I placed my hinge pin there, and it's holding the tension of the closer itself. Let's give it a test. All right, it's shutting decent, but it's not latching. So I'm going to torque it one more time just to give it a little more oomph behind it to help shut the door. All right, we're going to use the wrench again. We're going to pull it back, pull the tension pin out, crank it to the next slot, and then put the tension pin back in. That's going to add some force behind the closer to help shut the door. Give it another test. Now it's shutting and it's latching. That's good to go. Now we slip our decorative cap on top. And the closer becomes virtually invisible. So that's it. Another easy install on one of those products that makes our life easier. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.